Hi, in this video, I'll show you where to find important things and explain some concepts for you to hit the ground running in TerraStruct. This is your console where you can find and organize all of your diagrams, change account settings, and manage your team. You can organize diagrams into folders, sort them, and bookmark them for quick access. You'll notice that each diagram has a little icon at the top right that shows you its visibility to others. If there's no icon, the diagram is private to you. Only you can see and edit it. For your convenience, there's also a tab here which aggregates all of your private diagrams. If your diagram has this people icon, it's shared with your teammates. And if it has this globe icon, it is publicly viewable by anybody on the web who has the URL. Sometimes you want to add restrictions to that, and so a globe with a cross on it indicates that only people with the link and password can view the diagram. You can change these permissions at any time by opening up the diagram menu and clicking Permissions. Your teammate might have also shared diagrams with you, and those diagrams are distinguished at the top left indicator that tells you what permission you have on that diagram, either edit or view access. When you click on a diagram with view-only access, it brings you to a diagram presentation. This is a web viewer of a diagram where you can pan around and click around the various boards and use arrow keys to navigate. There's some interactivity, like these tooltips, or hovering over columns of a SQL table. Since TerraStruct diagrams are split into multiple boards, the web presentation is the recommended medium for sharing with others. You can easily embed it as an iframe to seamlessly include it on wikis and internal docs. Of course, you can also export diagrams as PDFs and PNGs too. When you create a new diagram, you'll be prompted to choose between either GUI mode or IDE mode. A TerraStruct diagram can be composed of many boards, and for each board, you can choose between either one of these. And so in a large diagram, you'll probably make some boards with the GUI and some with the IDE. It depends on what you want to depict. If you want to diagram something non-conventional, something that requires manual placements that an algorithm will never be able to get right, then GUI mode is what you want. For example, let's say you want to show that this star connects a bunch of these shapes at each end. That is something that would be very hard to tell an algorithm to do. So the GUI mode is perfect for that. Otherwise, the IDE mode is very powerful to create rich diagrams from simple text. You can find more in-depth videos on each of these two modes of editing in our onboarding video series. If you have any questions, need help, or have a feature request, we're online in Discord like 18 hours a day. Or if you prefer async, send us something in the feedback box, and you'll get a reply from an engineer on the same day.